When you're sending cryptocurrency to a friend, do you send it to their blockchain address or their wallet? Though easily confused for one another, they're not the same thing. The blockchain address, similar to a physical address, points to a virtual location on the blockchain, and in this case, determines where a transaction is going. To understand how addresses work, let's quickly recap on how they're generated. The process starts with what's known as asymmetric or public key cryptography. Simply put, this results in the creation of a key pair consisting of a public key and a private key, both represented by a long string of characters. The public key is then cryptographically shortened using a mathematical algorithm known as hashing, which then transforms it into the final blockchain address that can be openly shared to receive transactions. Its counterpart, the private key, is kept secret, as it enables full control and access to the funds tied to that address. This entire process, by the way, from generating the public-private key pair to producing the final blockchain address, is done for you automatically via software when you create a new wallet or generate a new address within an existing one. So this can sometimes lead to confusion because the wallet typically comes with a default address, giving the impression that a blockchain address and a wallet are one and the same, which is not the case. Firstly, wallets aren't limited to just a single address and can manage multiple addresses simultaneously. Secondly, contrary to their name, wallets don't actually store your cryptocurrency. Instead, they function as digital key holders that store and manage your private keys and their associated public keys, allowing you to control your holdings. But you might still wonder, how then does a crypto wallet know your balance? Remember that all your crypto transactions live on the blockchain. So, your crypto wallet simply queries the blockchain network to retrieve and keep track of the balance and transaction history associated with your blockchain address. Now, circling back to our initial question, when you send cryptocurrency to a friend, you're essentially sending it to an address which they own and control. Then they'll use their wallet and private keys to access the funds you sent. If you found this information helpful, please consider leaving us a like and sharing this video with your friends and family. And if you've ever wondered how private keys differ from seed phrases, we've got a video for you right here.